family had a wonderful trip.
谢谢。
See you next time. See you next time.
Taiwan's companies. We had a very good visit to get ready for the new age of computing. The technology companies, TSMC, Spill, Quanta, Foxconn, Inventec, Wistron, so many companies. We are working together to launch Blackwell. This is going to be a very, very big product launch. It will be very good for the Taiwan ecosystem as we build AI infrastructure for companies around the world. I want to thank all of you. 大家谢谢.
See
Okay,
you next
bye-bye.
time. Bye bye.